All personnel, evacuate the blast zone now. Fire in the hole.
Convoy 3 approaching checkpoint 4.
Roger that. Path is clear.
Keep an eye on the feed rate into the secondary crusher.
I will. The consistency seems good so far.
The flow rate on the mill is steady at 200 tons per hour. Good, check the particle size on the last batch.
The mesh on the upper tier is holding steady at 2 millimeters.
Good, the flow rate looks optimized.
The calibration on the air jets looks precise today. Yes, the rejection rate is exactly within tolerance.
The flow rate on belt 3 is steady at 90 tons per hour.
Good, we should hit our quota by next shift. The stacking pattern is perfect.
It is much faster than the old machine.
Check the alignment at the top. It's holding strong. The tension is perfect.
Right against the wall there, nice and tight. We need to fit 3 more on this side.
Okay, clear the area. Lift it up. Watch the alignment, bring it down slow.
All right, that's $7.99.